The book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if an individual puts a little effort into it, into any aspect of it, memorizing it, learning it, giving it his time, the way that Allah ta'ala is if you go walk into Allah, Allah will come run into you. You put a little effort in that Quran, Allah is going to give you more back than what you put out. He said about the Quran, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We made this Quran easy to be read or memorized. So is there not someone who would take the time out to do it? So we're sitting here and all of us are non-Arabs. I think all of us are non-Arabs. The vast majority of Muslims are non-Arabs. It is a fatalistic, defeatist approach for anyone to say, I can't read, I'll never learn how to read. There are people who are less intelligent than you are. They are reading the Quran. It's a matter of just being committed and doing an effort. And there are really no excuses, because Kuffar Quraysh, many of those people couldn't read and write. And the Prophet even said about our ummah, he said his ummah is an ummah that is illiterate. We don't read, we don't write. So the vast majority of Muslims can't read and write. That's a miracle that he would say that. He's not encouraging people to stay illiterate, but he's telling the condition of our people that the religion of Islam is simple and easy. Simple and easy. You don't have to be some ultra intelligent individual to be able to learn how to read the book of Allah Azza wa Jal and to benefit from the book of Allah.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.